how's it going? I'm just doing a quick overview or review of the Acoustify record cleaning tools. With Prime, this will cost you about $20. Without Prime, it's 24 shipped. So some QR codes on the back. It's probably the cheapest one I could find right away. But what I do like about it is the build quality, given the price. Some instructions, how to contact them. Comes with record cleaning fluid, just says 50 milliliter. Doesn't really say what it's made out of. Probably alcohol. Oh, what that is. Looks like some kind of, I don't know. Let's open it up. Ah, it's gooey. Okay, I get it. Probably for cleaning this or that. It's just a gooey surface that you can wipe off, and it's really sticky. You get a brush, and then obviously the nice brush. This is actual wood by the feel of it. Yeah. It's got their name imprinted in it. Feels pretty good. Nice velvet. What we're going to do is we're going to try it on record, see what it does. Some dust. I just want to see if it's got some bite. Oh yeah, it really gets in the grooves nicely. Definitely slowing it down just by its own weight. I like it. Feels good. And it did make a difference. Cool. Get a little bit of dirt on there. This is the one I've been using. I'm looking forward to the upgrade, that's for sure. Take it easy, guys.